Location excellent for 1996 Apes Modular raised ranch home. Superior walls, level entry, lower level full finished basement with full bath, 2 bedrooms, kitchen and laundry hookups and gas fireplace gives options for apartment or in-law suite. Bring the family and turn this accessible home with double living space into your home sweet home. Main floor living offers many new features installed in 2022 to 2024, including all new Anderson windows throughout, stove, refrigerator, doors, hot water heater, toilets, mini split for heating and cooling, floor coverings and painted walls. Enjoy awesome mountain views from living room and decks.